Hello, welcome to my video. I'm Sheikha Jassim. Today I'm going to talk about technology in classroom and what is the most popular things in schools or classroom and for what they're using technology. First of all, I'm going to talk about technology in classroom. Technology in classroom is very important nowadays. This generation likes technology more than books because it is easy for them. While I was in the TP, I recognized some of the technology they're using, and it was projectors, iPads, computers. Those are the most popular things in the classroom. And for what they're using it, they are using it to open videos by the computer and connecting to the projector. They are opening Quran educational videos like 1, 2, 3, and they also can open Chinese development videos because in the school that I had my TP on, they had Chinese development. And as you can see in this picture, here's the projector, and here's the computer. So they connect it together and they open it in the wall. Thanks for watching.